headlines. 4 Manipur cops suspended over drug seizure case. Eight journalists given Manipur State Journalist Award 2019. PCC launches relay hunger strike to demand disclosure of Indo-Naga agreement. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. The Manipur police has placed 4 cops under suspension in connection with the drug seizure case. The drug seizure was taken place on November 12 last. The suspended personnel are Assistant Sub-Inspector T. Paumilan Haukip, Head Constable Muhammad Khaililup, Driver Lakshan Kom of Mori Police Station, and Officer in Charge Inspector Letkohau Waifi. It may be mentioned that information was received that a large quantity of narcotics was hidden in a house at Mori, Ward number 9. Acting on the tip-off, a team of Tangnopal District Police headed by Superintendent of Police T.H. Bikramjit Singh raided the suspected house in the presence of the house owner during which 24 carton boxes containing 10,755 bottles of suspected ketamine injection IP level as Ketamax 50 were seized on November 12 last around 9 p.m. The police further investigated the incident, during which it was found out that Officer in Charge of Mori Police Station, Inspector Letkohau Waifi, was also involved in the drug seizure case. Tangnopal District Police later arrested the 4 cops and handed over to Imphal Police Station for further investigation. Subsequently, DGP of Manipur Police LM County issued a suspension order of the 4 cops on November 14 last. OC Letkohau Waifi is entitled to subsistence allowances as admissible under rules during this suspension, the order mentioned. Manipur State Journalist Award 2019 was conferred on 8 journalists on the occasion of National Press Day today. The function was organized by Department of Information and Public Relations, Government of Manipur at the auditorium of new DIPR complex, Nitai Pai Chotek in Imphal. A workshop was held on the theme Reporting Interpretation, a Journey to mark the National Press Day. Information and Public Relations Minister T.H. Bishwajit delivered a speech on the occasion. He appreciated the state media fraternity for their immense contribution towards betterment of the society. Bishwajit urged the scribes to circulate positive news to the general public. The IPR minister explained that journalism knows no boundaries and hence maintaining accuracy is a must in this field, and that media is one of the 4 pillars of democracy. The event was also attended by Chairman of Manitco and Manitron Radhesham Yonam, Director of DIPR H. Balkrishna MCS.
Manipur reporter media journalism se yam advance hoyena adusu akoi tabu majeli madaladi aina hanjene giding sai photo hele credibility du wangana ba hele extract of ba du akoi balancing oi ba akoi pot se to biragadi hen ani hangi wakalo na injini pot and the department magi kai ko formal like ko matlab we never take it wrongly because akoi just correct away information aduga akoi ngasi din wai ba na kari wai kanda अखोगी जर्नलिज्म की साथी बचे सिगी बाउंड्री लेती करी नवाय मतलब दा कोई इबन नसी ये बिरो कोई सोशल मीडिया अदि तुआन प्रोफेशनल में हमसे पना नाम साफल कर सिगी पोसे कशु कोई ना बाउंड्री लेती हे ने सुन के करे सिगी कोई नहीं करी देखा अदर पीपल की थॉट्स इन डिफरेंट वे दा in different topics दा कमाई तो देना मैं हमने कन्वे तो बदगे मैं हमने कमाई ना कुछ कर दगे हम पोसे संग
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee launched a relay hunger strike today demanding the state government and the centre to disclose the recent Indo-Naga agreement and also to convene a special assembly session to discuss the Indo-Naga peace process. The demonstration was staged in front of Congress Bhavan, Imphal. AMPCC President in charge T. Mangi Babu, Vice President K.H. Ratan Kumar, spokesperson O. Joy and office bearers and members of the party took part in today's demonstration. Talking to media, K.H. Ratan Kumar targeted the Manipur government for allegedly failing to elucidate the centre's assurance that the final settlement of Indo-Naga Peace Pact will not affect the interests of the state. He also informed that the party will take up different forms of democratic agitation regarding the current issues in the day to come.
Assembly session athuba matamda kougadabani loina haiba peace talk asida kari yauribage haibado madu miyam da khangangadabani masi khangandriba bauba masi assembly session si masi kaudriba budi akoi Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee na akoi leptana akoi khongjin changjin jagi gani koi ngasi dagi haiba relay hunger strike si akoi haujabani masi leptana changjin gani masi matungda akoi tongan ba akoi gi hingsa yaudaba adugumba constitution na ayaba madugi makhada akoi tongan ba akoi means kaya ama puthoga akoi akan ba khongjin kaya ama sukoi changjin jagani haiba wafam sei thamjani.
In connection with the recent rumors about kidnapping of Vice Chairperson of Lamsang Nagar Panchayat, Y. Nilamani, by some unknown people, Y. Nilamani himself today clarified that the news was totally baseless and fabricated. In this regard, a press meet was held at the Congress Bhavan, Imphal. He informed that the Lamsang Nagar Panchayat has remained suspended since August 8 last, and an order has been issued by Mahut on November 6 last for holding election of new chairperson and vice chairperson, following which the election was scheduled on November 14. But the election fails to take place till date. Nilamani also informed that for Congress party, he has been elected as the Nagar Panchayat leader while Mutum Thoiva as deputy leader.
I sumata na oigre agi khongthang sibu agi ward ki agi workers singna aina thangileba khongthang si pam da bagi workers sing da pam da bagi mami ma chauna ubadagi aina thangjiluriba agi phirep tu ai khutak tadum hantok sakre ai hantok sakrabani maramaduna ai hanagumna dum ai normally adum lajere ai ate kemta tawjadre aduna ai kanago mimta na ai kidnap to balaiti kanago mimta na ai phab punbagi sigumba hirama mata laite na ai sengdok sari.
On the other hand, President in charge of MPCC T. Mangi Babu urged the public to extend cooperation for smooth functioning of the Nagar Panchayat.
Masana majority na command torga government chemgadoba asidadi masana command torba parties na karigumba disturbances amata pibidana masi government se semin bigadabune aduna masida masagi amaga hunjandana khochandana madagi phana na bigi khona na bigi nafu da government semna na toba khotba asiguma mayam singa se masi ekhoi thadok na ba pami aduga madugi mahutta miyam gi seba phajana torga miyam na phajana vote pihalla aga adai da majority phangna na hona bado maduna khwali hena phagani haina khalli.
After CPI leader D. Raza, the delegation of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee led by Congress Legislature Party leader and former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi today met Congress President Sonia Gandhi this evening in New Delhi. According to reports, the delegates apprised Sonia of the prevailing restrictive situation in the state created by the decades-long Indo-Naga peace talks, which is said to come to a conclusion with a final pact soon. The meeting with Sonia Gandhi was earlier scheduled at 11 a.m. today, but it was later postponed to 5 p.m., sources in PCC said. Yesterday, CLP leader O. Ibobi Singh along with party MLAs on Friday met Doraisamy Raza, MP and General Secretary of CPI at the party head office, New Delhi. The MPCC delegation is currently in the national capital to meet different central leaders over the situation unfolding in Manipur in the aftermath of the recent Indo-Naga agreement, which will pave the way for inking a final accord. In the meeting, the Congress team apprised the Raja of raised situation in the state arising out of the Indo-Naga talks. The PCC team submitted a memorandum to the CPI leader urging him to extend all possible help to raise the issue in the parliament to protect the territorial integrity of Manipur against the Naga Peace Accord and also not to reintroduce the Citizenship Amendment Bill in the House. D. Raza assured the PCC delegation that the issue would be put up for discussion in the upcoming winter session of Parliament.
Ibu Bina Lamjingba Congress leader Tranga Sonia Gandhi unana bai damakam hakime imda hojik unaba sangre makata nangarang CPI gi leader A Raja ga su unakre CPI gi leader A Raja ga unaraba matungda ngasi amuk CPI gi general secretary Chitaram Ramchuri su Sonia Gandhi unadringai mamangda unakre makata na makoi si amuk prime minister unana bai damakta appointment lowri adubu hojikma phangdabagi ngairian hairi paudam jariba si samom ridureka Times of Manipur.
Now we have a short commercial break. Coming up next, first annual meet of Lamjingba Nidi Limited held.
SS Enterprises ta miyam gi damak laizare makhal makha kyagi sound lights teas amadi tent house ki polam sing makhal khuding makki light amadi luhong khongdong bagi polam sing gi damak 10% discount pijari. Akupa marol gidama contact tobiu SS Enterprises Kiamgai Khoirom Laikai near Youth Social Club. Contact number 8837218002.
Smart Tutorial Center revision course for class 12 will start from 11 November and for class 10 from 12 December 2019. Run by well-trained and experienced board and council teachers. Concession for ex-smart students. Transport facilities and separate hostels for boys and girls available. For more details, please contact Smart Tutorial Center, Singzamai Supermarket, Radheshyam Shopping Complex. Contact number 8730-999-192.
Special discount to welcome the winter of 2019. 10% discount on labor charge. 5% discount on spare parts for Hyundai cars only. Benefits on purchase of 4 Michelin tires. Free alignment, free balancing, free nitrogen, free removing and refitting. 3 years warranty on all tires. For more details, please visit SM Motors, Airport Road, near Comprehensive Concept School, 795001. Contact number 9366 508 258.
Khanghanjaba ngasi tang taraga manga tha taramathoi lisingani taraga mapan ing irai numit asida nungsijaraba leibak miyam amadi salai gi shareholder stakeholder singi mafamda salai holdings private limited ki maikei dagi wafam kharadang nolukna ningsingjari kanagumba kanagumbi singna social media da lana pau sandok piduna salai bu miyam da amadi shareholder stakeholder singda lana uhankiba yaba maung amata tobidana ba nolukna ningsingjari hojik sathariba investigation asi hek loibaga salai unit sing karamba matamda hangani haiba miyam punamakta media gi khuthangda soidana khanghanjagani matam adu fawbadang khwai punamakna pungning phathabiduna salai unit sing hanagong function tobangai minasi haina khwai punamaki mafamda nolukjari khanghanjari ba salai holdings private limited.
Welcome back. Lamjingba Nidi Limited, a financial institute run by Lamjingba Group, today held its first annual meeting of members and shareholders at Classic Hotel North AOC Imphal. The meet was attended by Managing Director of Lamjingba Group, Waikom Herojit, Director of Lamjingba Nidi Mutum Viran, Branch Manager Nidi Limited, Tayenjam Amarjit Director Salam Ashok, and members and shareholders. Lamjingba Nidi Limited launched a prepaid debit card during the grand event.
Rules is that no mother pesa sukena leibea the ba kaina kan niyo meba adugi poto leibea da dina remittance ko koina ai corporate office ta pi ba chane through SBI SBI ko dit peng me am gidi adu duna nasai suk yam level pal crore tara muk se Manipur gi mapan da gi chatlaga miram da chatle miram da chatlaga khoi de pu gi paisa sina mi mai ama asom da karbar dong me am thadaraga miram chak pu gi masa am oi gi akhoi na sum overdraft chat pa nong gi paisa se Manipur re chakhina a da sum chakre.
At the occasion, Director Varun Mutum said NIDI was launched with an objective to improve the financial condition of the state. He also underlined the need for making the masses aware about the details of various facilities provided by NIDI Bank.
lamjingbatomtv limited habsida tawriba thabak se member singna account hangmani khangde akoigi fixed adagi recurring deposit tawriba kholiba mayam se si thamamdragadi amu si deposit tawdragadi natraga account se hangdragadi lamjingbatomtv adu lei tabaga chapmane chanabusu yaro habidi run tabu yaro doine.
On the other hand, Managing Director of Lamjingba Group, Vaikom Herozit, said it is important to know if the members and shareholders of NIDI Limited are benefiting various schemes provided by NIDI. Coordinator of Kokomi, Sunil Karam, today reiterated the committee's firm stand to boycott the upcoming Sangai Festival 2019. He was speaking during a press meet at the office of Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization, Hata, today. He said Sangai Festival has no meaning at this crucial juncture where the state integrity is being threatened by ongoing Naga peace talks. He also appealed to the masses to support the Sangai Festival boycott stand.
Sangai Festival se yamna koigi tongan ba festival amagi irang lang ba khotpa mayam torganda issue se divert to ba yanrogi masam kani sigi masak sing se Manipur government asu aikoigi inariba agreement sigi waroi senama tang tadri bokti Sangai Festival se yaithok view haibasini aduna karigumba Manipur miyam gi aning apam bagi mayokta namdana tawsalakpa taragadi kokomina Manipur miyam da amasung festival asida saruk yagadoba koigi thorang toromagasu stall sing sound service adi lila roigi artist ki adi transporters ki cultural troupe adi tent house sana thangnaba amadi masida hiram khudimakta sangma khudimak laiba ki issue ni khalakanda ekoi Sangai Festival se koi saruk yagumsi
Manipur miyam na matang sida koina ningsing minaba khandaminaba yaribidi prithvi gi ani subalanjau gi matamda Olympic haiba prithvi khwaidi gi chawba sports ki kumai se sports ki bela se anirak to gide 1940 amadi 1944 gi Olympic game anirak pangthok kite maram di batam da prithvi ani subalanjau leibana sumaina Manipur su ngasi langa pangkhok oiba phibam amada leirabani na akoi sumada kumai harau tawdana natraga kai akoi mayam iho horiba akoi mayam gi wakhal se nakal ma thaidok ki ba natraga miyam gi pungi ihurde nakal am da pugi ba thabak che topam thokte maram duna Manipur government su masida hiram sida miyang thambirau aduga Manipur miyam na su asugumba Sangai Festival asida yaupam thoi thokte do ori phibam je khantaraga akoi yari makai di cooperation bi gano habisi kokomi gi makai digi ningsing
Assistant Professor of Chemistry Department, Imphal College, Dr. R.K. Babita, today handed over more than 30 kilograms of used plastic bottles to Deepchand Plastic Industry located at Pasoi, Part 4. The initiative was an effort to make the base use of plastic waste. Talking to media in this regard, Dr. Babita stressed on the ill effects of plastic waste to environment and health. She urged the masses to recycle plastic waste to help curb pollution.
Plastic collect tawruraga so tawraga utlaga aikoina khomi hena utpadu khakna kana ba leitaba isam chamna aikoina khomjan biro aduga aikoina kg si kunthra gi mathakta leire haira kanda aikoina plastic recycling unit se da pau pi na bagi damakta aina thongju kendra gi oina aina ready da aina leijare.
On the other hand, proprietor of Deepchand Plastic Industries, Deveshwar IROM informed that the industry will pay rupees 12 per 1 kilo of plastic waste to any individual on delivery, while rupees 10 per 1 kilogram for home pickup at any location lying within a radius of 10 kilometers of Imphal city.
Kendra ji ai Manipur Pollution Control Board ka ai undertaking am tawjaraga district taruk si handle tawjabani. Adu Manipur Pollution Control Board na ju incentive oidaga chumai gari gu pi ni habegi provision lei ba ngonda adaga ina paksana tawjaro re je kakjing kono thoban sugnu ningthau kong moirang ayama nai tawjare adu ai gi vehicle gi problem je katang leiba vehicle problem je ai vehicle je ama ani khata jina jaga akoi bji aina loina procure to bangam jude ba asidagi sigi problem je katang face oje ngonda adu kari gumba mokhoina ai gi jaga ji sports da pugirak taraga de most welcome.
The second edition of week-long free children heart surgery camp, jointly organized by Healing Little Heart, Manipur Heart Foundation and Sky Hospital from November 10 last, wrap up today at the Sky Hospital, Imphal. Talking to media, Chairman of Sky Hospital and Research Center Private Limited, Dr. L. Samkishore said that the free heart surgery camp was held for the second time in the Northeast region. The first camp was held at Sky Hospital from March 3 to 9 last. Altogether, 9 children, including 6 from hill districts of Manipur, underwent surgery successfully during the camp. Dr. Sam Kishore also assured that similar camp will be held in future too.
We will continue our endeavor, our partnership, and provide this free heart surgery for children who are unfortunately born with bad heart defects. And from time to time, we will be informing to the media and to the government agencies and also certain NGOs that when the next this kind of week-long free children heart surgery will take place, probably sometime in March and April next year.
It's nice to think that this important foundation, Healing Little Hearts, is carrying its work out throughout the world and continues to wish to do so. We're hugely grateful to all those who have donated generously to Healing Little Hearts to allow its work to continue. So I think it's only now my job to say thank you to you all for receiving us, for allowing us to work with you, and to continue this the work of Healing Little Hearts.
Monolith of Nampi Lumsong Anglo-Kuki War 1917 to 1919 was unveiled at Churachandpur district of Manipur during a function held this morning. The monolith was erected by New Jalanphai Village Authority under the directive of Kuki Inpi, Manipur, in commemoration of the Anglo-Kuki War 1917 to 1919. The ceremony was attended by President of Kuki Inpi Churachandpur Daniel Gangti, Secretary Lalkhahau Chongloy, and Organization Secretary S. Paumintang Waifei, Kuki Women Union and Area Chief, apart from several people. The 5-feet-tall monolith is inscribed with the controversial words in defense of our ancestral land and freedom.
1917 to 1919 the Moina land to 2017 to 2019 sida sahi chama centenary sahi chama subagini adu ningsingba oina aikoina ipu ipa khoibo respect piba oina masi aikoina masi Anglo Kuki War centenary celebration se pangthok jakhibani.
Now let's have another short commercial break, so do stay tuned.
Mina, aingondha hangi. Shooting the scenery ba chemical mayam duga nangi samdo kamaina sokhandana thamme. Aina kome. Mahusagi kudolni.
Imaging hi holistic enterprise gi parameter kuntraga mapanda laboratory test tauraba numit humpuga mangani thamba yaraba agribusiness incubation center ICAR na promote tauba Manipur da ahanba herbal shampoo, samgi sida hidak, ima chinghi. Ima chingi lujabana sam manam tahali, phajahali, sam kenba kanna pokhoba, lupau thangba, sam maton pokhaibadagi kanbangammi, samgi sida hidak, ima chinghi.
Nanai Day Spa and Salon. Special offer to welcome winter of 2019. 30% discount pijari. November gitang taratagi kun faub khaktamak pijaba discount ne. Pijariba services singde haircut, facial, hair spa, foot detox, microneedling treatment for face, body spa and scrub, far infrared sauna for detoxification asina chingmani. Extra charges yaudana yumda laktuna service su pijari. Ayuk pung taradagi numidang wairam pung taruk phauba hangjari. Ngasi maglengsin birau Nanai Day Spa and Salon. New Check-on Road, SBI ATM Building near Globis. Contact number 0385 244 7383 natraga 244 7385.
Iramdamda fangba polam singna iramdam asimaktada sajaba kanglagi polam sing fangbiragani luhong panthana lakpada miyamgi damak leizare laima kabok loinana luhong bagi yakhanaba discount su izari akupa marol gidama contact obu 8131877217 natraga 9612056941
Kangla kabok chabiyu yamna hawbani.
Kangla laima kabok. Yang wad.
Sokthaba loidi.
Wabdo koknaba rebalance.
Sokthaba do koknaba rebalance. Rebalance na haksang salt amadi electrolytes singi awatpa mekhatuna adongi haksang bu tagat tikna thambang amali. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi energy.
Welcome back. Nagaland governor and the government of India's interlocutor for the Indo-Naga peace talks, R.N. Ravi, met with leaders of the United Naga Council on November 15 and stressed on the need to maintain peace and harmony among the different communities of the Manipur state, as per media reports. A press release from the OSD to the Nagaland governor informed that the meeting was held in pursuance of the governor's desire for a comprehensive resolution of the Naga issue with due regard to the sensitivities of all the stakeholders, including the neighbors. The UNC leaders were brief about the current status of the peace talk, including the significant development of amicably settling all contentious issues between the negotiating parties. Queries of the UNC leaders were clarified, the press release stated, pointing out that the Naga issue is at a stage of settlement. The UNC leaders were reminded of their responsibility in ensuring that Naga tribes of Manipur maintain cordial relationship with fellow communities of the state. Ravi further expressed concern over deterioration in the traditional brotherly relation between the hill and the valley people of Manipur in recent decades due to the politics of vested interests. All Manipur Press Association celebrates its 49th Foundation Day today at the Sangai Hall of Hotel Imphal. Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam, MLA of Sekmai constituency, H. Dingo Singh, Secretary and Joint Secretary of Board of Secondary Education Manipur, Social Worker Wainam Roman Singh, and President of AMPA Sanjam Surjit were on the dais during the celebration. Kanglaipak News Tengbang Loop organized a Ningol Chakoba program at Nongan Khong Lai Harak from Leirak, Thobal today. Editor of Pandam Sivdatta Luang, President of ISSP Waripadang Mairakpam, and President of KNTL Thongam Brozen Singh attended the event. A federal U.S. Commission on International Religious Freedom has alleged that National Register of Citizens in Assam is a tool to target religious minorities and to render Muslims stateless. Observing that the final NRC list, which validates bona fide Indian citizens of Assam, has excluded 19 lakh residents. The U.S. Commission on International Religious Freedom USCIRF yesterday said that a number of domestic and international organizations have expressed concern that the NRC is a targeted mechanism to disenfranchise Assam's Bengali Muslim community, implicitly establishing a religious requirement for citizenship and potentially rendering large number of Muslims stateless. Now we have sports news. The three-day inter-village football tournament organized by 69th CRPF Battalion Manipuri under Civil Action Program 2019-2020 concluded at Achanbingai Lekai Football Ground today. 8 teams took part in the tournament. The final match was played between HIWAI Luang Sambam and Team MFAB. Team MFAB defeated HIWAI by 6-5 in the final match. Meghalaya defeated Mumbai in the penultimate Group D League match of the Syed Mushtaq Ali 2020 trophy at the Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai yesterday. According to a report, Meghalaya's 3 guest players Ravi Teja, Puneet Vis and Sanjay Yadav propelled the team to a 6-wicket win with 4 bowls to spare. Batting first, Mumbai set the visitors a modest target of 158 for the visitors, which the visitors overcame in the 20th overriding of fiery half-centuries by Ravi Teja, 60 not out, and Sanjay Yadav, 55. Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. Four Manipur cops suspended over drug seizure case. Journalists given Manipur State Journalist Award 2019. And PCC launches relay hunger strike to demand disclosure of Indo-Naga agreement. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.